いいよいしょ。ありがとうございます。それはもっと難しく顔の高さいきましょう。ほっ、いいよいしょ。お父さん、ほっ、いいですね。ありがとうございます。まずは指のですね、輪くぐりご覧いただきました。ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。こんな感じで拍手いっぱい褒めてあげてくださいね。はい、指を作ってあげてください。ありがとうございます。ね、よかったよかった。今から挨拶して頑張っていきたいと思います。お集まりいただきましてありがとうございます。
The next stop is Kyoto Tenmangu Shrine.
That's Kitano Tenmangu Shrine. Getting off here, you take the bus 50 from Kyoto Station, and it costs about 230 Japanese yen, exactly actually, and about $151.50. It's really pretty with all the plum blossom, and you can see the shrines, the different buildings here. Very nice. And we're on the lookout for the area where the students come to get their good luck. Oh, look at these guys. They are dressed up in their traditional costumes. Nice. And we have our tickets to enter into the plum garden. You can hear a drum in the background here. Lots of people having tea. Lots of people having their tea. It's included in the price of it. It's 1,200 for entrance. And I have a special little show for you with my monkey friend. There he is. I don't know what he does. He's sitting up there. And we have this little monkey up here at Kitano Tenmangu Shrine. This performer. Here's his guy. I don't know if he does anything. Oh, he's swiveling around. We can see his face now. It looks like he's munching on something. He's hungry. I want him to do something. I don't think he does much. He tells jokes. I don't understand. Let's see what he's going to do now. He's like turning them around.
立つところを見ていただきたいと思います。そして今年は2024年辰年ということで、ただ立つだけじゃない、さらに勝つ。ありがとうございます。嬉しいですね。
He's gonna bow. He holds his hand behind him.
歩くのも芸ですよ。二足歩行です。はい、歩く。よいしょ。これだけでも1ヶ月練習しましたよ。ここでもしっかり立つ。ちょっとだけ準備運動します。
That's pretty fun. Oh, he's going to do more.
山の猿絶対輪の中くぐりません。まず挑戦する輪の高さこちらでございます。はい。よかった笑ってもらって。いいお客さんでよかったな。ちゃんとくぐってますよ。膝の高さいきましょう。いいよいしょ。ありがとうございます。それはもっと難しく顔の高さいきましょう。ほっ。いいよいしょ。お父さん。ほっ。いいですね。ありがとうございます。まずは指のですね、輪くぐりご覧いただきました。ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。こんな感じで拍手いっぱい褒めてあげてくださいね。はい、指を作ってあげてください。ありがとうございます。ね、よかったよかった。今から挨拶して頑張っていきたいと思います。お集まりいただきましてありがとうございます。
So we made the tea, put the powder in there, and then have the crackers with it, the rice crackers. And I think I spotted a beautiful yuzu tree. Yuzu, the Japanese citrus. I think that's what it is. Amazing, all filled up with lots of fruit. And here's a nice little shrine for students to come and make their donation and pay their respects and, of course, get good grades. So you walk through this little tunnel area and then you make your offering. The coin's going down there. Maybe you bring your little doggy here for good luck. So people are making their offering and then they are rubbing the cow statue in the back. Put your offering in the box here and then give this guy a little rub, and they give him some fruits. And then over on the other side you can see all of these wooden plaques here that have an offering that was made and a good luck note on there that was written. Let's try to find, I mean, there's some really, they go all the way back here. It's pretty cool. It's like a maze back here. You can walk around and find a spot to where you want to tie it. Yeah. Filled with wishes. Here. Oh, look at this one. This one's really nice. Yeah. That one is nice. And that's the little view of the shrine for the, good luck. So good luck to the students. And now we're in the plum garden viewing area. And if you go up this little deck here, these stairs to this deck, you will see a nice overview of all the beautiful plum blossom trees. So it's quite an amazing garden. I forget how many there are, maybe a couple thousand trees, 100 trees, 1,000, I don't know. And now you have a beautiful view of all the plum blossom garden. Nice.